we have a system of 12 different points on the body you have to learn to defend from. And I'll go through those now. The first 4 are on the head. Number 1 is either straight in front of your head or to your head, there. Number 2 is to the right side. Number 3 is to the back of the head. And number 4 is on the left side to the side of the head. Number 5 is to the chest, upper body. Number 6 is in the lower, to the stomach or groin area. Number 7 is in front of the right arm by the ribs. Number 8 is behind the arms. Same thing on the other side. Number 9 is behind the arm. Number 10 is in front of the arm. Number 11 is to the back, upper back. Number 12 is to the lower back. So that's our 12 points of reference that we have to learn to defend against.